In this module, we will learn about the interior angles property of different polygons. That is, how to find the sum of interior angles of polygon. Look at the given figure. It is a triangle. And you very well know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. Now we will prove that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. But how? You know that a quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles, and the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the two triangles will be 2 into 180 degree. That is equal to 360 degree. This is the reason why a quadrilateral has angle sum as 360 degree. Now look at this pentagon. This pentagon can be divided into three triangles, and the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So sum of the angles of three triangles will be equal to 3 into 180 degree. That is equal to 540 degree. So sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. And how we calculate it? We calculate it by dividing it into three triangles. And the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. For three triangles, it will be 3 into 180 degree. That is equal to 540 degree. Is that clear to you? Now our next figure is hexagon. A hexagon can be divided into 4 triangles. Now you can easily find out the angle sum of a hexagon, which is equal to the sum of the angles of 4 triangles. That is 4 into 180 degree, which is equal to 720 degree. Have you noticed one thing? That pentagon has 5 sides, and the number of triangles it can be divided is 5 minus 2. That is equal to 3 triangles. Similarly, if you look at a hexagon, hexagon has 6 sides. Isn't it so? And when we subtract 2 from it, we get 4. And a hexagon can be divided into 4 triangles. Similarly, an octagon, it has 8 sides. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So it can be divided into 6 triangles. And the sum of the angles of an octagon will be equal to 6 into 180 degree. That is equal to 1080 degree. Isn't this observation great? That to find the number of triangles in which a figure can be divided, just we need to subtract 2 from the number of sides. So generalizing the formula, let the number of sides be n. Polygon will have n minus 2 triangles, and sum of the interior angles will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. For example, we are taking a pentagon. It has 5 sides. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is equal to 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. And this we have already done. And you can use the formula for any polygon. One thing you also know about a regular polygon, that each angle is same and each side is of same length. That is, the measure of the length of the side is same, also the measure of each angle is same. So if you want to find each interior angle, just you have to divide sum of the interior angles by the number of sides. and you know how to find the sum of its interior angles. Now suppose we are taking a pentagon. Now sum of its interior angles is 540. We have just done it. 540 divided by the number of sides, that is 5, which is equal to 108 degrees. So each interior angle of a pentagon is 108 degrees.